Oh, so soft. Human, what are you looking at me for? Just always messing with your kitty. Why do you have to mess with me for? I just don't want to be recorded. I just don't give you permission. I give you permission to scratch my face, though. Yeah, give me the rubs. Can you rub your tooth, Penelope? Can you rub it? Hold still. I just got your tooth a little bit, huh? Don't rub my tooth. That's mean and hateful. Can I touch your paws? Oh, I touch your soft paw. What do you mean I can't touch that one? That's not nice. Boop. Boop. So fluffy. So soft. Okay, Penelope wants you to subscribe, comment, and leave a like.